Good morning from very cold Pennsylvania, a whopping 3 degrees when I left my house. I hope everybody is warm. I'm gonna go get warm at 272 Antiques. I'll see you guys inside. Well, the first thing I see are these little paperweights. Those are Chinese, but this one, these two below it are absolutely gorgeous, and that's Strathern for sure. They're all kind of where they need to be, but I love the little tiny paperweights. They're so delicate. And then this is gorgeous too. This Art Nouveau acrylic inkwell, as well as the one with the base with the cherries in the back. Those are amazing. $125 as is on the taller one, and $350 on the short guy. That's a pretty one too. Bohemian, $235. And I love that pink check vase in the back. Some really nice glass dresser boxes as well. I love that green one. It's at $150 though. That's a really neat piece of pottery too. I love the colors on that, and these beveled edge mirror trays. Gosh, that one with the doily in it, it's only $10. That's insane. Oh, look though, they have the plush cats. I love that one on the right. $25 on him, $55 on the Dankin. The one to the right looks Japanese too. That thing is so great. This Murano shell is wild. I love the pink and black. I love this booth. They always have such nice stuff. This dresser box is gorgeous. This little tiny one is so cute. That one's at $35 though. That's a nice chunk of glass. Jeez. Crazy as is. Weighs like 10 pounds too. I don't really want to mess with that. The little pink satin rose bowl, that's so sweet. They're usually pretty beat up, but that one's super clean. Now this is an interesting piece above it. It's chalk, $22.50. Oh my gosh, look at this rabbit planter. That's fantastic. And then over here, I love this clock. That is so fun. Shaped like the TV. $38.50 on that. It's got a little crack in it. It's really neat looking. I love all the topaz opalescent. Now that one in the middle, that ruffled edge vase, the $65. I think they do 10% too. With the glass bowl coming up in March, I'm really considering it. It's a little close. I'd make a little off of it, but I'm gonna try and keep my cost average for that event down for the time being. Well, among the dolls, this one stands out, the little Polish doll. It's been a while since I saw one of those. What do they have her priced at? Let's see, 15. She's got a little receding hairline. But yeah, I love those little Polish dolls. I think they're so cute. That's probably one of my favorite things I've seen so far, the dime holder with the cat on it. I love the graphics on those. Here's another one of my favorite booths. I'm trying to look at the butterflies, but I'm so distracted by this. What is this weird little egg shaker? Potpourri ball. Oh my gosh, with the little cats on it. That is too cute. It's kind of a silly thing, but I really like this. I might pick that up. I feel like I have to. It's so cute. Yeah, that's coming with me. Oh gosh. The little butterfly trinket box. And then down here, really pretty glass flower. Yeah, the butterflies, those are so fun. 16 for the 3. And then here, really fun purple glass fish. And then this with the silver overlay. Gosh, that's only $9. And then, oh, the perfume looks like $45. The jar's neat. $10 on that. Ooh, look at this random lucite lion. $18.50. I don't know, that's pretty awesome. I feel like that's a safe bet. And since it's over $10, you get 10% off. I've never even seen that one. That's gotta come with me. That's spectacular. Oh, this is like the first booth. I try to go in order, but I'm so excited to get to this booth. This vendor has like amazing stuff, and you never know what you're gonna find in here, and the prices are wicked good. Sterling, that's a pretty sterling chain. Oh my gosh, the poodle's still here. That's too funny. All right, I'm cheating. I'm going for it. Nice little butterfly brooch, $3.50. What's this bracelet? $3.50. I don't think that's amber. Let's see if it does glow. I'm not sure about that one. That looks more like amber. Sterling, that's amber for sure. The little musical note, so cute. What is this weirdo? It's like a singing bug. $2, I'll take that. Let's see. Unusual. Are these the Dion quintuplets? It is. That's fun. $4 on the little mirror. Oh, it's a mirror? Oh, well, we have to get that. That's just weird. It's got a little age to it, I think. And let's see. A hand. Not for sale. Usually aren't. This looks almost like Timmy Woods. I don't think it is. And then up here, does this say sterling? Because that's really pretty. If it's sterling. Yeah, sterling. $10. Oh man, that's awesome. That's got some age to it for sure. I love that. I don't think that's gonna do anything. Oh, what do you know? It glows. That's coming with me for sure. Then back here, look at this old jewelry box. That's so sweet. Watch box with the green velvet. It's got some age to it. Oh, look, they've got the Flapper Girl bottle. That's so neat. $45. I feel like I looked that up and that's about what they went for. I love those old Flapper Girls. I've got a bunch of the paper mache ones. Really nice coin dot there. $30 on that. Oh, it's got a little internal crack on it. This is pretty too. It's got an attitude. 18 on that one. I think it's flashed though, which I'm not a fan of. All right, we got another epic booth coming our way. They always have such great stuff in this booth as well. Look at this little Italian basket with the ducks on it. That's so cute. And then over here, this is unusual. Party light. I like it in green. I don't think I've ever seen it in green. There's that Dave Fetty. I love that. This looks Italian too. Yeah, $30 on the Italian parrot. That's amazing. And then here, a little cloisonne dachshund. 18 on that. That's pretty fantastic. Then behind me, look at this little green poodle. I don't think I've seen it in green. 13 on that. That's probably pretty close to what I'd get for that after fees. Some really fun pieces. This is nice. 17 on that, but it's not what I want it to be. Whoa, check this guy out. Porschinger, $28. Dude, what? $28 on a Porschinger. That's pretty dang good. I don't think that glows. No, it doesn't. Oh my gosh, look at the dragon. That's hilarious. But this, it's clear, but it's got the purple and it's got the name. That's pretty awesome. I just realized that's kind of funny. Rose bowl for the glass bowl. Now this is unusual too. Confetti glass, $20. Definitely hand done. I don't see any kind of signature on it. Is that a signature? No, I think that's just a little scratch on it. Well, when I was down here, I failed to notice this one. I don't usually do the Lacombe cats, but this one's pretty spectacular. Party cat. I love it. I gotta be honest. I'm going back and forth about this one because the clear. It's a really nice piece of glass, but for the amount of work it's going to take in to ship, I'm not sure if I'm crazy enough about it. Oh, I've been shipping all this jewelry and it's spoiled me rotten, I swear. And then back here, a nice little lucite paperweight. I see it's got a little ladybug in it. That's so cute. All right, you guys, I'm going back for the Porsche. I'm like, what am I doing leaving that for 26 bucks or whatever it is? Yeah, I'm taking this. This is really pretty. With bird. Where's the bird? I don't, oh, I see. There's like a bird. My finger was over it. I think I'm gonna leave that even though the price is right. This is a really pretty Bristol glass. 25 on that. Oh, this is such a fun coat, or blazer, I should say. Oh my gosh, it's a set. That's so fun. If I worked in an office, I would totally rock that. This booth usually has fun costume jewelry too. It's this cameo bracelet. That's fun. Probably like break someone out in a terrible reaction. Oh my gosh, that's so cute, this little ring. Let's see. That's a nice heart-shaped one. $7.50 JJ. Oh my gosh, look at the Donald Duck. I totally missed that the first time around. $10, that's a really good price. That's early Disney. Looks like a lot has moved around here. Check out this Avon rhinoceros. It's kind of fun, and the moose. Over here, I see some donkeys. I like the Italian one. What do they have on him? $9.50. That's pretty great. I'm trying to find the price on this big green guy up here. It's a little... Oh, got it. 89 Viking. That's a really pretty one, but a little much for me to buy in for resale. This, though... Dang, dude, that's a nice one. $10. Pretty sure that's Viking as well. In evergreen, if I'm not mistaken. That's a really hard to find color. $10, that is cheap. That's coming with me. Well, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be hard to top that green vase. Oh my gosh, I love the little peeps. But not exactly what I thought. I like the display in this booth. Not much Valentine's Day. I feel like Valentine's used to be like the most lucrative holiday. It's kind of died down since then. This is a pencil sharpener. It's a little viewer. Oh my gosh, look at this though. Look at this trinket dish. I've never even seen that. That's so cute. $4. That's a definite. I love the pink hobnail cake plate. It reminds me of the Madonna, and this is fun too, even though it's more contemporary. What do they have on that? 28. Everybody in my group chat is swooning over the Viking. These are awesome. Bakelite earrings, $12. It's probably about what I get out of them, honestly. The earrings are kind of hit or miss. I might get a little bit more, but they said that one's loose, so I don't want to mess with it. That vendor I like also has this booth. They have such fun, tiny things. It's a little bit of everything, which I always appreciate. Alley Oop, the life of the party. That's really fun. $20 on that. I feel like that's in really good condition. I'm obsessed with the little shell trinket box and the tiny camera made in Japan. Well, I did super good in there. Spent $85. That Viking vase alone is worth more than that. So I'd say I'm on a good luck run, and I'm gonna head in the car, head to my next stop, and gosh, loud car. I'll see you guys there. Bye.